In today's world, understanding how to manage your finances is crucial for financial success and stability. That's why we've put together this comprehensive guide to help you navigate the best resources available for learning personal finance. In this video, we will explore Learning Personal Finance, a guide to resources. We've broken down these resources into 4 main categories: courses and books, podcasts, blogs, and workshops. Additionally, we'll also share a list of professional associations, nonprofit organizations, and community-based programs that offer financial education services in your area. Welcome to Moving Up Wealthy, your partner in the journey towards wealth and success. Learn about personal finance in person. Now, let's talk about the benefits of in-person learning for personal finance. While online resources are convenient and accessible, there's something special about learning in a classroom setting. Firstly, in-person learning allows you to ask questions and get feedback from both your peers and the instructor. This interactive environment fosters a deeper understanding of the material and helps clarify any confusion. Secondly, having direct access to an instructor means they can address your specific questions and help you grasp complex concepts more easily. Lastly, in-person classes often bring together a diverse group of individuals with different perspectives and experiences. This creates a supportive and constructive atmosphere where everyone can learn from one another without feeling judged or competitive, as can sometimes be the case in online courses. So, if you have the opportunity, consider attending in-person workshops or courses to enhance your personal finance knowledge and skills. Learn about personal finance online. While in-person learning has its benefits, we can't ignore the vast array of online resources available for learning personal finance. The internet offers a wealth of information, making it easy to learn at your own pace and from the comfort of your own home. Let's explore some of the best ways to learn about personal finance online. Online courses. There are numerous online courses available covering various aspects of personal finance. These courses often include video lectures, quizzes, and assignments, allowing you to learn and test your knowledge effectively. Online forums and communities. Joining online forums and communities dedicated to personal finance can provide valuable insights and advice from like-minded individuals. These platforms are great for asking questions, sharing experiences, and learning from others. Financial literacy programs and resources online. Many organizations offer financial literacy resources online, such as the FDC, which has an excellent site with financial literacy tips. These resources can help you develop a solid foundation in personal finance books and publications. Don't forget about books and publications. Many experts have written comprehensive guides on personal finance, which can be an excellent addition to your online learning journey. Financial literacy programs at schools and in the workplace. Some schools and workplaces offer financial literacy programs, providing valuable education and resources to their students and employees. Keep an eye out for these opportunities to further your personal finance knowledge. Financial institutions and education services. Many financial institutions offer financial education services to their customers, helping them make informed decisions about their finances. Financial literacy programs in high schools and middle schools. Lastly, some high schools and middle schools have started incorporating financial literacy programs into their curriculums, helping students develop essential money management skills early on. So whether you prefer online courses, forums, or books, there's an abundance of online resources available to help you learn about personal finance and take control of your financial future. Learn personal finance through podcasts and blogs. Another excellent way to learn about personal finance is through podcasts and blogs. These resources offer a wealth of information and can be easily integrated into your daily routine. Let's explore the benefits of learning personal finance through podcasts and blogs. Podcasts. Podcasts are an engaging and convenient way to learn about personal finance. You can listen to them while commuting, exercising, or doing chores, making it easy to fit learning into your busy schedule. With a wide variety of podcasts available, you're sure to find one that suits your interests and learning style. Blogs. Blogs are also a fantastic resource for personal finance education. They offer in-depth articles and insights on various financial topics, allowing you to read and learn at your own pace. Plus, many blogs are regularly updated with new content, ensuring you always have fresh information to consume. By incorporating podcasts and blogs into your learning routine, you'll have a constant stream of valuable personal finance information at your fingertips, helping you make informed decisions and improve your financial well-being. Learn personal finance at a workshop or seminar? The benefits of attending workshops and seminars to learn about personal finance. These events provide a unique opportunity to learn from experts, network with like-minded individuals, and develop new skills in a hands-on environment. In-person workshops and seminars. Local libraries and community centers often host workshops and seminars on personal finance topics. These events allow you to ask questions, interact with experts, and learn from the experiences of others in your community. Plus, they're often free or low cost, making them an accessible option for everyone. Online workshops and seminars. If you prefer learning from the comfort of your own home, websites like Udemy and Lynda offer online workshops and seminars on personal finance. Whether you choose to attend in-person or online events, workshops and seminars provide a valuable learning experience that can help you improve your personal finance skills and achieve your financial goals. Take a course at your workplace or local community center. There are a few factors you should consider before enrolling in a course. Qualified instructors. Ensure that the course is taught by a qualified instructor with expertise in personal finance. A knowledgeable instructor will be able to effectively teach the material and help you gain a deeper understanding of the subject. Relevance to your needs and interests. Make sure the course is relevant to your needs and interests. If you've already learned a lot about personal finance through other means, find a course that builds upon your existing knowledge and covers new topics. Convenience. Lastly, consider the convenience of attending the course. If there aren't any locations near your home or workplace, you might want to explore other options. Keep in mind that your employer may offer courses that are more accessible, but be prepared to weigh the pros and cons of attending a course that requires significant travel or time commitment. Take a certificate program or formal course at a university. If you're looking for a more formalized approach to learning personal finance, consider enrolling in a certificate program or course at a university. Many universities offer programs and courses designed to help you develop a strong foundation in personal finance, and the credits you earn may even count towards your degree. The main advantage of taking university courses is that they provide a structured learning environment and cover a wide range of topics. Additionally, the credits you earn can help you graduate faster, making it a valuable investment in your education. However, there are some potential drawbacks to consider. University courses may not always be taught by experts with extensive real-world experience in the field of personal finance. While professors are often excellent teachers, they may not have worked as financial advisors or have practical experience beyond their academic careers. This means that while you'll likely learn valuable money management techniques and principles, you may not receive the hands-on guidance necessary to apply these concepts in real-life situations. Despite these potential drawbacks, taking a certificate program or formal course at a university can be an excellent way to build a strong foundation in personal finance. Join a professional association focused on financial education. Another great way to learn about personal finance and stay up to date on industry trends is by joining a professional association focused on financial education. These organizations advocate for the interests of their members and offer valuable resources such as educational opportunities, certifications, and networking events. By becoming a member of a professional association, you can gain access to a wealth of resources designed to help you succeed in the field of personal finance. These resources may include conferences and webinars, industry certifications, networking opportunities, mentorship programs, scholarships for continuing education courses. Membership in a professional association can also help you stay current with industry trends, which is especially useful if you're considering a career change or entering the field of personal finance. By participating in conferences, webinars, and networking events, you can learn from experts in the field and gain insights into the latest developments and best practices. In summary, joining a professional association focused on financial education can provide you with valuable resources, networking opportunities, and access to the latest industry trends. By leveraging these benefits, you can enhance your personal finance knowledge and achieve your financial goals. Participate in community-based programs promoting financial literacy. If you're looking for a more accessible and community, oriented way to learn about personal finance, consider participating in community-based programs that promote financial literacy. These programs can be found at local community colleges, universities, high schools, and even nonprofit organizations. Community-based financial literacy programs offer several advantages, such as networking opportunities with like-minded individuals, access to resources and tools for managing your money, professional development for financial educators, support from local nonprofit organizations. To find community-based programs in your area, consider the following steps. Check with local community colleges, universities, and high schools for courses or workshops on personal finance or financial education. Search for nonprofit organizations that focus on financial literacy and inquire about their resources or programs. Visit your local community center to see if they offer any financial education classes or workshops. By participating in community-based programs, you can gain valuable knowledge about personal finance while also connecting with others who share your interests. Work with nonprofit organizations and participate in community-based financial literacy programs. Partnering with nonprofit organizations and engaging in community-based programs can be an effective way to promote financial literacy and make a positive impact in your community. Here are some ways you can get involved and support financial literacy initiatives. Provide financial literacy training. Offer financial literacy training to staff and volunteers at nonprofit organizations, schools, or community centers. This could include seminars, workshops, and classes on various topics related to personal finance. Promote financial literacy in the workplace. Encourage financial literacy in your workplace or organization by organizing events and educational opportunities for employees. This can help create a financially savvy workforce and foster a culture of financial well-being. Organize fundraisers. Organize a fundraiser to support a financial literacy program in your community. This could be a charity event, a crowdfunding campaign, or a partnership with local businesses to raise funds for financial education initiatives. Advocate for financial literacy. Become an advocate for financial literacy by reaching out to local schools, businesses, government offices, and other organizations. Share the benefits of financial literacy and encourage them to support and promote financial education in their communities. By working with nonprofit organizations and participating in community-based programs, you can help promote financial literacy and make a lasting impact on the financial well-being of your community. The bottom line: there are numerous ways to learn about personal finance and improve your financial literacy. Whether you choose to enroll in a formal course at a university, join a professional association, participate in community-based programs, or even listen to podcasts during your daily routine, the most important thing is to find a method that works best for you and commit to it. By continuously learning and staying informed about personal finance, you can make better financial decisions and achieve your financial goals. So, go ahead and explore the various resources available and begin your journey towards financial success. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button to join our amazing community and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post new content. Don't forget to like, comment, and share for more great content. Visit our website at movingupwealthy.com and check out our suggested videos. We'll see you in the next video.